At least one track and field coach has identified the 12 and under athletes as the most heavily impacted high school athletes by the COVID-19 pandemic, having lost out on almost 2 years of training and competition. The last time a number of grade 7 athletes competed was in 2019 when they participated at the National Primary Schools Championships as well as the National Prep Schools Championships. Several of these athletes were at Saturday's Jamaica College Invitational as they got their first taste of competition since that time. Kirk Brooks, the horizontal jumps coach at San Diego High, says it has been a tedious process of relearning several aspects of the sport for the current batch of first form athletes.
They are the most vulnerable set these class 4 now because the last time they have competed would have been 2 years ago in grade 4. Now they are in grade 7, so they missed out 2 years of competition. So we have to take our time with them, mold them, and hope for the best for them for this year. But as coaches, that's our responsibility, so we are taking it step by step.
So, how difficult will it be to have these athletes in peak shape for boys and girls champs? Brooks says they have a plan in place at San Diego.
Well, at San Diego, our jumps program has always been one to look out for. So we are taking our time, especially this year, a really, vulnerable year where we have to take our time with our athletes, especially the lower ones, as I said previously. So we are guiding them as best as possible and hope for the best.